Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. MATIC is still moving in a range. Unfortunately, we have seen some green candles today. Obviously, the entire crypto market looks good today, but this is only like the first really good day in a long time now. Feels like it's been a long time. Really, the last nice rally did start on the 1st of May, but it was not sustainable. It wasn't sustainable. However, MATIC is holding a higher low. And this keeps the bullish potential, talking about the directly bullish potential, alive. Okay, so what's the directly bullish potential? I've got a bullish scenario on the chart here, and looking at the bigger picture, the invalidation point for that, as you know, is the around about 49.2 cent level. So this level needs to hold to keep the so-called 1-2 setup alive, and the idea that in a third wave, MATIC could rally overall in an impulse, in this bull market. But below 49.2 cents, this scenario will, be thrown out of the window. Okay, so that's why I've titled it like it's MATIC's last chance. It really is MATIC's last chance to rally from here. It could handle one more low, but it would be like very thin ice, very, very thin ice. And it's the 58.2 cent level, which is the next Fibonacci support. And if it needs to form one more low, which only the market will decide, then really, ideally, we're not breaking below 58.2 cents, because a sustained break below this level will most likely lead to invalidation. It will not be invalidation, but it will most likely lead to invalidation. That's what sort of experience tells us. Now, what doesn't count is a wick below 58.2 cents. So it could be that there is a volatility event, we come down to 53.7 cents, and then it might recover very quickly. The 88.7 Fib level is another Fibonacci support, but it is basically too low to be reliable for a 1-2 setup. So therefore, I often call out that 78.6 retracement. That really needs to hold. So that means at the same time, we don't need another low. Okay, that's why we're using the support zones, Fibonacci support zones, from this wave 1 to the upside and the wave 2 pullback. This is a key zone that's relevant. It's clearly relevant because the market is respecting it right now. We haven't seen another dip, higher lows, okay, slightly higher highs, but with very much overlapping price action. So not really any, not really any clear confirmation that a low is in. There is no 5-wave move up, there's no impulse. That's what we normally need from an Elliott wave point of view to tell that a low is in and to have very clear probabilities, at least here on the micro level. There's no 5-wave move up. So that means one more low is still likely, especially against the wave 4 high that was formed on Monday, the 6th of May at 77.7 cents. So a break above that 77.7 cent level will shift probabilities towards the white count. I mentioned to you in the last few days that if the white count is going to survive, it should really start from here. The rally needs to start from here. Good reward to risk ratio for the white count. We see a rally today. Am I convinced? No, I can't confirm it. Let's see if we can get to 77.7 cents and break it. And then a third wave rally should send the price to 87.4 cents. I can tell you the milestones on this chart. The next upside target, if the third wave rally is unfolding, would be 87.4 cents. Then a wave 4 pullback would be that 79.7 cent level. That's where it ideally would land, maybe a little bit lower, but that's sort of a first level to watch. And then in 5 waves, we need to reach 92.6 cents. That's the minimum I want to see. I need 5 waves to that level to confirm that the wave 2 already bottomed, because there is no impulse. So it takes a little bit more evidence. Okay, we need 5 waves of the next larger wave degree, because at the moment there is no 5-wave structure, only corrective rallies. So that's basically it. It needs to hold the red line here to keep going in the white count. Already the intraday low is very important, because let's be honest, if the intraday low breaks from today, which is 64.2 cents, it's likely going to invalidate the white count, because this white count only can be kept alive. The white count in which we avoid one more low, it can really only be kept alive if the price holds the 1st of May low. So yeah, there is not much more going on here. Upside momentum definitely needs to increase. No reliable bottoming confirmation at this stage. Therefore, don't get too bullish yet. One more low still possible. At the same time, there are very clear levels against which you can focus on higher if you want to trade the white count, for example. Okay, that's my update about MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.